Everyone, do you want to share your PlayStation 5 gameplay on Discord? Today we will show you exactly how to do that. So now let's dive right in. First, you will need to install the Remote Play app on your PC or Mac, then head to the official PlayStation website and download the app for your operating system. Next, on your PS5, go to Settings, System, and then go to Remote Play. Here you will need to enable the remote play feature. Ensure your PS5 is in rest mode to allow you to connect when you are away. Now open the remote play app on your computer. Sign in with your PSN account and connect to your PS5. Now, you can see your PlayStation screen on your PC. Then open Discord, start a voice or video call, and click share your screen. Select the remote play windows as the source. You are now sharing your PS5 gameplay live on Discord. And that is how to share your PS5 screen on Discord. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.